Welcome to our training video on weather conditions and operations. The purpose of this procedure is to standardize the evaluation and decision-making process regarding the weather, and it applies to all employees of the company. Crew leaders are responsible for assessing the weather and making on-site decisions regarding cancellation or ending early. Field managers are responsible for overseeing the implementation of this procedure and ensuring communication is taking place. And administrative staff are responsible for updating the work schedule and notifying clients of cancellations. First, checking the weather daily is necessary to ensure safe and efficient operations. This check must happen at least 1 hour before the scheduled start of each workday, or by 6 a.m. at the latest. It's critical to use reliable sources such as the National Weather Service, the Weather Channel, and local news. The 4 areas to gather information on are current conditions, forecast for the day, severe weather warnings, and wind speeds. When evaluating weather conditions, consider the following factors. Continuous or heavy downpours of rain that create unsafe conditions. Sustained winds over 20 miles per hour or gusts over 30 miles per hour that risk causing damage to equipment and materials. Extreme cold below 32 degrees or heat above 95 degrees that can be hazardous. Floods, hurricanes, or severe thunderstorm warnings. If weather will limit, slow down, or prevent an efficient and safe workday. Crew leaders will assess the weather and real-time site conditions each day. If they deem that conditions are unsafe or that they and their crew do not feel comfortable working, the crew leader must cancel work for their crew that day. If conditions are unclear, the crew leader must consult with their field manager to make a final decision together. Always prioritize employee safety and site conditions when making these calls. Once a decision is made, crew leaders must notify all crew members as soon as possible or by 6 a.m. at the latest. Text or call each member individually or in a group chat to ensure each member knows the plan. Managers must notify clients quickly, provide a brief explanation, and reschedule work when possible. The safety of our employees is our top priority. You should know it is always acceptable to cancel work if conditions are unsafe. Rescheduling is always possible. If you plan to proceed with work in questionable work conditions, ensure that you are wearing or using personal protective equipment, or PPE. This training aims to explain the importance of monitoring, assessing, and making decisions based on potential weather conditions. It helps you to recognize unsafe weather and the procedure for reporting them. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask your crew leader, field manager, or administration. Thank you for watching this training video.